going to show you how to divide a line into equal segments using a compass, but I just found out my compass is a little bit too small for the job. So what I'm going to do is give myself an extra 1/4 inch or so on its length by pushing the pencil out. Then all I have to do is start at opposite corners and scribe lines on each side of the diagonal line here. Let's see. As you can see, I'm going to have 2 intersecting lines here. To divide the line, all I need to do is place my pencil here, slide the ruler into position there, and this is my halfway point.